Hello, my name is Vanessa and I will answer the questions in Canvas. The first one is, does climate change affect everyone in the same way? And I think it's obvious that climate change does not affect us all equally. This depends on various factors such as geographic, socioeconomic, and how susceptible an individual is to suffer due to this, such as disparities in health. Climate change exacerbates health risks, disproportionately affecting vulnerable groups such as the elderly, children, and those with pre-existing health conditions. It is also the food security. Changes in weather patterns disrupt agriculture and food production, potentially causing food shortages in vulnerable communities and threatening their nutrition and well-being. It is also the displacement, migration, and even economic impact. Now, talking about the carbon footprint and resource usage, my result was this, and it really surprised me since I had done the same test in high school and I had literally gotten half of it to Earths. Now that I have 4, I think maybe it's because I live close to school. I have to travel many kilometers by car on the weekends to get to my home state and see my family. Regardless of what this increase depends on, I consider that my consumption is not responsible and affects the communities around me. Speaking specifically, for example, in the use of water, nowadays it's a water crisis in Mexico City, and even though I try to shower in a short time, wash my car less often, consume less soft drinks or meat, it may not be enough. Likewise, my consumption and that one of the people that are around me affect the one of who don't have such a favorable economic position and who, for example, in the aspect of electricity, water, or food supply, the companies supply us before because we are the main buyers or due to the hikes in consumption. To give an example, it will be if a pipe is clogged and the water cannot reach the rest of the places. Now, speaking of my studies, I am currently studying engineering, sustainable development engineering, and I would like to focus in the energy sector. However, focusing on the question, how could I contribute to the accountability of private companies and or government institutions that contribute to climate change, I think the answer will be that leaving my career, I look for a job in one of these private companies to formulate their environmental plans, or perhaps even in the government sector itself that is focused in this part of environmental, and I can create reforms that allow better use of resources, reforms that company will be forced to follow. However, I consider that I still lack of knowledge to achieve these goals, but I will be fascinated to be able to contribute in these sectors one day and to be able to make Mexico and the world a better place, environmentally speaking, to the future generations. Thank you.